All right, I'm going to try and wind a coil. Here's the picture that I use as a reference board. And the coil is no thicker than the board itself, so I'm going to wind around this solder sucker and see how it goes. Looks like I need to make 6 loops. This is 12 gauge wire. Let's see how this works out. 6 loops. And look at my cheat sheet here. Just make it like that. Okay. Oh, not so bad. Okay, so I got 6 loops now. Looking at this picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's the sauce. That's the tomato sauce right there. Except I didn't leave enough wire on that one. That's the screw up, huh? Okay, well, just tug on it and it will tighten. And you get some wire that way. There's some wire. Come down here and clip it. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my little coil. Pretty cute, huh? Now, let's just pretty it up a little bit. Looks like that one. Not really. I think that wire's thicker. Oh well, it's an experiment, right? So this goes into here. It goes in like that. Let's see if it'll work. Will it work? Let's make sure it's off the board a bit. All right. Since these boards can't be procured, I've had to make them because they aren't sold anymore because Ameritron is out of business. Any rate, let's see how this goes. All right, that is soldered in. And let's get this side up a little bit. It's not a symmetrical coil, is it? It's a hack. That's not going to cooperate very nicely. Okay, how about like that? Let's solder it in there. I guess the coil might need hand adjusted with a VNA or something to see what the little pass is and how well it passes 10 meters and 12 meters, right? Or if it burns up. Yeah, I think Ameritron used thicker wire and better capacitors than I did. Maybe their board's thicker too, I don't know. I'm an amateur, right? This is amateur radio. Trying to get more professional, but double-sided board. Hitting this with heat, it's not really sticking. Or is it? Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah, that went on nice right there. Good joints. I think that'll work. Well, that one's a little questionable. No, looks fine. Alrighty then. Let's clip off this stuff. Our cutters are going, holy smokes. Clip off this stuff. There we go. Guess it could be time to neaten it up a little bit. But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, 6 turns on that one. It's not as neat as it is as a Manatron, but it's the best I can do for the first one, the prototype. The trick is, will the sucker work? All right, gonna make one more with, I guess, 6 turns again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same thing. Gonna use more wire this time. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like lifting barbells. Okay, this one doesn't look much better. Let's space it closer. Try it. All right, that's as far as I'm going. Thank you.